Everybody, what is going on? This is Eric from Online Biz. So I figured out I'm gonna do this video while going out, kind of in the middle of the day, because I think both me and Ruth, me personally, we almost gave up on the channel because maybe we didn't get the growth results we expected for the past 2 years maybe of running this channel. And I don't know if you guys know this, but it's super exhausting to run an active YouTube channel for a long time. It takes a lot of effort, it takes a lot of scripting, coming up with ideas, recording, setting up everything, which, you know, the gear we spend, I think we spent like 30K on filming equipment, everything from sound to green screen and cameras and stands and lighting and everything. So it's very tough, and every time you need to spend a whole day filming a bunch of videos so that later on you can edit them, and the editing itself takes a lot of money and effort, and it took a while, it took a toll on us for a long time, but we kept doing it because we figured, if we keep doing it, eventually we're gonna get to the growth we wanted. And we didn't. We did provide a lot of value, we think. We think the content we provided was very good. However, it just took so much. So I decided, you know what, instead of keep wasting whole days in the studio, keep doing these videos, maybe this format can work a little bit better. Just talk to you without too much editing. Whenever I have an idea, whenever there is something I think I can share, just share it with you. So I figured out, you know what, let's just start right now. So I thought about it probably like an hour ago while watching some other dude on YouTube. So why not? And one point that I thought about, of course, if you guys want to hear about anything, then just let us know in the comments. And of course, we'll make videos accordingly. Now, I'm on my way to a friend who's getting married today. We started a company back in the day. We split the company, a good friend. But the point I was thinking about today is, in business, in general, in life, in anything that you want to get for yourself, it's very good to have people on both, like above you and below your set of capabilities and skills, so that you want to have people that are on your level, people that are below your level, and people that are definitely above where you're at right now in life, because all three of them are super important. I'll start with people that are kind of below you in terms of skills. It is super important to have people around you that are not as good as you in what you're trying, in what you're doing. It can be in anything: business, fitness, I don't know, relationships, social skills, anything. The reason it's so important is because, first, it allows you to feel better about yourself. The fact that there are things that you're doing better than other people. It also feels very good to help other people. And the main key is it helps you articulate the thoughts and some of the things that you're trying to learn while you teach others, because you have no other way of passing the information without actually thinking about it, processing it in a way that is more accurate and easy to understand for others. So that's why it's important to have people that are, kind of below your level in different areas. You feel good, it helps you, by repeating the content, you learn it better, and then you articulate yourself better for the next time, which is super important, because the more clarity you have on your thoughts, your ideas, I'm trying to figure out the word, sorry, my English isn't perfect. So the more you repeat stuff, the more they're clear in your mind, and everything you believe in becomes more real to you because of that. Now, to have people on your level, that's always important, because usually you guys struggle with the same things. And whenever you guys are managed. Sorry, my hand starting to ache. So whenever you're dealing with the same issues and you're trying to, we have the same problems, if it's business, if it's relationships, whatever, you guys can push each other, give some motivation to each other. Whenever someone have a breakthrough, feels like he made any progress, then it's much easier to share it with each other and move forward together. It's also people that usually you speak the same language with, you understand the struggle, it's very easy to provide support to each other. So these are all very good things, and then eventually people that you must, I just need to cross the road, that you must keep next to yourself are people that are definitely above your level. Now, this is probably the most important. Sometimes it's a little bit frustrating, but it is important. I got to where I am, so I'm just gonna stand here and finish my point. So yeah, let me put it here. So again, the last one is people that are definitely above your level, and the reason they're important is for a few reasons. First of all, motivation. You see people that are doing so much better. It's just reminding you what else is possible. What else can you achieve if you just keep pushing yourself? And that's definitely going to be helpful. And sometimes you're slacking off, or you're just getting back to a routine that is not taking you anywhere, and sitting down with people that just remind you how better things could be, just going to push you forward. And just yesterday, both me and Ruth, we sat down with a guy that came from abroad, who owns a company similar to what we do, and another guy who owns another company similar to what we do. And these guys, they're at a whole other level than us. In terms of revenues and in terms of profits, and we look at them and we admire how they run their own companies, and it's something that you really need to strive for. Have these people around you to kind of teach you, to remind you what it's like. For them, we are the lower kind of vibe guys. Of course, when I'm saying people that are above you, below you, or equal to you, I'm not saying the value as a person, but I'm talking about specific topics that you're trying to advance yourself in. So it's for them, we are the lower ones, so they feel good about us, they feel good teaching us, and this circle keeps taking all of us upwards, takes humanity upwards and making us all better. Sorry guys, this is how I speak without any script, so hopefully it's super helpful. Another thing that came to mind that is important, again, when speaking on different types of people that you're meeting with and surrounding yourself with, is it is important sometimes to get back to the past. Meet with people you didn't meet in a long time, because progress takes time. Whatever you're doing, it's gonna take a lot of time to see a real progress, and sometimes it's frustrating because you had bad days and you feel like you're moving nowhere. The real way to check if you made any progress in anything is just wait 6 months, a year, look back 6 months ago, and then you can start seeing incremental results that are noticeable. Even if it's fitness, it doesn't make sense if you weigh yourself every day. Of course, your weight sometimes is going to go up, sometimes it's going to go down. Doesn't matter if you're trying to gain weight or lose weight. Sometimes you're going to get frustrated. So just do it in a way that is, just look at bigger time frames and compare yourself backwards. And that's how you see incremental results over time, which takes me to the next point. Sometimes go back to your past, meet people from your past that are related to your old self, and compare yourself to groups of people from your past. Maybe back in the day they used to be above you in certain levels, now they're below you. Maybe it's the other way around, just to see how your life progresses. Learn from it, and sometimes it's going to make you feel better, sometimes it's going to make you feel worse. However, either way, you can take tons of motivation from it. So that's it. That's my point for today. About 10 minutes. I hope it's not too shitty. And hopefully, let me know if you like this type of content. Maybe we're going to do some more of this. See you guys later. Bye.